Hey guys, it's JD Target 12 and he's here with another video! So today's Guy Fawkes Day and we're setting fireworks. I love setting fireworks. And I am ready for this day. And guys, if this video gets over 10 likes, we will give you a shout out.
Hi, Uncle Abi. I'm good. How are you doing? Just go into it.
So guys, we're gonna set the fireworks. Come on. So guys, I'm gonna set the fireworks.
Joshua, come. Bruno, come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come, Bruno. Bruno, come. Come here.
Remember to count to 15 slowly. Because that last one though, we were going to go and pick that up where it had one more firework in it. So that was a close call. So guys, remember to count to 15 slowly in Mississippi's. And that'll help you not set yourself on fire. And big shout out to Yui Birds. We love your support with our videos and yeah, thank you. We'll see ya. Bye.